These are the guard shacks. Pendleton Airport, they're the guard shacks. They're from World War II, and what they were used for, the guard shacks for they used the Pendleton Airport for practice for the Doolittle raids, and they wouldn't let you get up here to this airport during World War II. So that's what these buildings are for. I guess they're in the process of restoring them, although you can see how much restoring they need. So it's just a little short video. It's kind of cold here in Pendleton, Oregon. It's the end of October, and I'll turn around, you can see the other one. It's the end of October, and I don't know, it's in the 30s here. So just a quick video. Thanks for watching.